Hi everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. I know my makeup is looking incomplete because I have not applied any kajal of any sort today. The reason is I am going to be reviewing a kajal today. That is the Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. I got it yesterday and I thought I should review it, and I haven't opened the package yet because I wanted to open it in front of you. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's typical Nykaa graphics in it, peachy, pinkish kind of cardboard packaging, and let me just open it in front of you. And it says it is waterproof, smudge proof, no transfer for 10 hours. I don't know how long I can wear it because I want to do a wear test, but I'm not sure if I can do it or not. So let's just open it. I cannot be careful while opening the makeup products. Let's just tear it apart. Okay, so here is the pencil or the kajal. It's a twist up pen, the typical kajal pencil. Let me just zoom it out so that you can see. And this is the most difficult part, zooming. Alright, so here is the kajal, and it's a twist up pen, and here's the pointed pen, as you can see. So I'm going to apply it in front of you and I'll see how creamy it is and how easy it glides on the skin and all the good things. So let's just apply it. And I'm not opening it because there's already a tip, so I don't want to open it unnecessarily. It is creamy. It's very creamy. It is very, very creamy. And if you are my follower, you would know I apply kajal on my upper lash line as well. It is extremely creamy and it glides on very smoothly. Let me just fix my eyeliner. I just wanted to flick it out. So I applied the kajal on both of my eyes, and it's been 5 minutes since I have applied this kajal, and let's just see if it is actually smudge proof or not. I don't want to. The line seems so perfect. I don't want to rub it. But we have to test it, right? It is not 100% smudge proof. I've just applied a little pressure and it's just smudging from here. As you can see, it is not 100% smudge proof, you guys. It's not. No transfer. Let's just see if it transfers or not. My clean finger, let me just see. It definitely does not transfer. If you apply a little bit of pressure, it does not come off. It really does not come off. So that's a plus point. It does not transfer. Try to wear it for maybe a couple of hours and I'll share my thoughts about the kajal. So far I'm liking the kajal very much, and the price of this kajal is 199 rupees for how many grams? 0.35 grams of product. So for 199 you get 0.35 grams of product. So far so good. I don't feel it is it's super good, or I don't feel it is super bad. It's in between. So we'll just see if it stays for longer or not. So I'll update you after a couple of hours. So it's been 7 hours since I've been wearing this kajal, and I must say it's a long wear kajal. It did not smudge from anywhere, it did not fade from anywhere except for the corners of my eyes, and they say it lasts for 10 hours, and it's been 7 hours already, and I think, and I should say that it's a long wear kajal. Let me take it a little bit closer to give you the actual picture. Let me just zoom it out. Okay, can you see it did not fade from anywhere except from this place, because I got a little bit of water on my eyes, or my eyes got watery. That's why this place is looking a little faded, but nonetheless the line is completely intact, and I'm sure it will last for 10 good hours as well. So let me just adjust it. So a big thumbs up to this kajal. I would definitely repurchase it. And where's the cardboard? No, I have it right here with me. So the cardboard, I tore it down in front of you. So I should definitely recommend it to you, and I do recommend it to you because I really love this kajal a lot. I really discovered a new favorite of mine in kajal, and it is a perfect daily wear kajal, let me tell you. So if you want a kajal which will last you for all day long, and which you don't want, you don't want the kajal to look bang on, like very dark, still you want to make a statement, so you should go for this kajal. And what else can I say? I just love this kajal, and I would totally recommend it to you. So yeah, that was my review and wear test of the Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. I hope this review was helpful for you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please click on that bell as well to get notified, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.